everyone, this is Sai Sri and welcome to my channel. In this video, I will tell you the very most important question for first year intermediate work energy theorem from Work Energy and Power. The question is asked as develop the notations of work and kinetic energy and show that it leads to work energy theorem. For this, first of all we have to define what is meant by work. Work is nothing but is defined as the product of force and the displacement. So F into S is nothing but work done. And here the cos theta is the angle between the force and the displacement. So W is equal to Fs cos theta. If you are also able to remember the definition, you can write the work also. The work done by the force is defined as the product of the component of force in the direction of displacement and the magnitude of this displacement. So, if you cannot remember that definition, simply remember that it is the product of force and displacement. Here F is force and S is displacement. Here it is displacement and theta is angle between the force and the displacement. The units are in SI unit joule and in CGS unit it is erg. And the kinetic energy. The kinetic energy is the energy possessed by a body by virtue of its motion. So when the body is in motion, the body possesses the kinetic energy. For example, if you are running, then we have some kinetic energy. So this is called kinetic energy and the formula is Ke, nothing but kinetic energy of mv square. M is mass of the body, V is velocity of the body. And the units are also same like work in joule in SI unit and erg in CGS unit. Now let us derive work energy theorem. Work energy theorem. Let us first write the statement. For any theorem, first we have to write the statement and proof to get good marks. Statement. The change in kinetic energy of a particle is equal to the work done on it by net force. So, when there is a change in kinetic energy, it is equal to the work done. Proof. Let us consider a particle of mass m moving with initial velocity u. So, at initial stage, the velocity of the body is u and have a constant acceleration. So, without changing its acceleration, it is moving constantly. After covering a distance s. So, after covering the distance s, the velocity is changed to v. So, the velocity has changed. So, from kinetic equations, we know that v square minus u square is equal to 2as. Now I am multiplying of m on both sides. So here of m v square minus of m u square is equal to of m into 2as. Here 2 get cancelled. We know that of mv square is minus of mu square is equal to mas. From Newton's second law, we know F is equal to ma. So, in place of ma, I am writing Fs. We also know that work is equal to Fs. So, in the place of Fs, I am writing W. W is nothing but work done. So, of mv square minus of mu square is equal to W. That is work done. So, what we can write? Finally, kinetic energy. V is final kinetic energy and U is initial kinetic energy is equal to work done. And also this equation 1 can be generalized to 3 dimensions by employing vectors.